kind of lame. Can't stick it to myself. Oh, it's bouncy. Well, bless ya.
Thanks.
Stigma at the top here, and we got it before.
Yeah, super cool.
I like Minecraft. We got 600. I get. Well, bless you, Boxy.
Thanks, Foxy.
Oh.
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you what happens when you make it to Z. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Whoa. Bless you, Foxy.
Nice days. This is looking good, Boxy. It's looking good. Huh?
I got a sneeze.
There was a giant evil Dr. Ghost. Well, bless ya.
Thanks. Huh?
What? Okay. See what we think. Oh. Well, bless ya. Yep, he's having a memory. Bless ya.
Thanks.
Oh man, this is gonna be tricky.
You got it.
I'm not gonna give up. Well, bless ya.
Thanks. All right, you got it now.
This not no easy, baby.
Sorry.
We're gonna give him flowers. Awesome. Everybody's happy. Yeah, that's what we like to see.
Cool.
Everybody's happy, guys. That's what. What?
I think so.
What's that, bro? What? Well, bless you.
Color match game.
Uh-oh.
Bless you, Justin.
I just sneezed my way out of my own chair. I also know there's one hidden in the camp. Well, bless ya.
Thanks.
Okay, Adam, we're gonna unlock it. You've been playing. Yo? Yo?
Nice. Hey, Foxy.
Oh, wait, I know how to do this. This level's easy, bro. Come on, bro.
You got it.
This is easy. Wait, I already have all 3 duckies. Why are we playing this again? Well, bless ya! Foxy animatronic, we gotta get that, bro.
All right, next area. Here we come.
This game is so sick. Let's go.
Sorry.
I definitely get that. I gotta go sell. Well, bless ya!
Oh, thanks, Justin.
What?
Bless you.
Say it back!
I said bless you.
Good, Adam, good. Wait, oh, we gotta jump on the rocks.
Oh.
I oofed, I turned into a zombie. Bless ya! Pretty cool, huh? Well, bless ya!
Thanks.